Hello everyone. So let's start the model answer for our next lesson of history, that is mass media and history. This is the fifth lesson of your textbook. As you know that fourth lesson for this particular is deleted, so we haven't worked on it. These are the questions as you go through it, and after that we will discuss the answer of each one. Wait a minute, something is missing or what? No, it's okay, everything okay. So the very first question, as I informed you earlier, this design of the question paper is as per your board paper. The very first question, that is based on the fill in the blanks, choose the correct alternative and write the complete statement. The question is, Kesari and Marathas were started by Bal Gangadhar Tilak and dash. One of his associate was Gopal Ganesh Agarkar. The correct answer is Gopal Ganesh Agarkar. Okay. The next question. Now, printed the map of Asia in 1842 and the map of Europe in 1851. These are the names of the newspaper of that particular period: Prabhakar, Kesari, Deenbandhu, and Gyanodaya. And the correct answer is Gyanodaya. Gyanodaya printed the map of Asia in 1842 and the map of Europe in 1851. And you know about the Gyanodaya, that this also published about the first train that run in India under the title Chak Masuba. So that is additional information, but need not here. Identify the wrong pair. Once again, these are the four questions which are given. You need to only identify the wrong pair and just write that. Again, need not to write it correctly. So the wrong pair is Maratha. This is again the name of newspaper, and from the very first line it is mentioned here Marathas, actually by Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Gopal Ganesh Agarkar. So Maratha, here it is Mahatma Jyotirao Phule. This is wrong. So the correct answer is this is Maratha Mahatma Jyotirao Phule. This is the concept chart, okay, based on the book Bharat Ek Khoj, Discovery of India. Okay, Bharat Ek Khoj was actually a serial, and this serial was based on the book Discovery of India, and this serial was actually telecasted by Doordarshan, and Discovery of India actually written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and this serial has been directed by Shyam Benegal. So this is one of the important one. Keep in mind that. Now next come to the write a short notes on why do we need mass media, what is the actual need of mass media. So first of all, mass media is a field of mass communication to send multitude of information with an intent to educate and entertain the people. So two important aspects are there: one to educate the people and the another one to entertain the people. Educate and entertain. Here and is missing. Be it newspapers, one of the mass media, social media, journals and periodicals, web channels, or satellite television, transmission of information help us update ourselves with all political, social, and cultural events. So whatever, though it is newspaper, social media, journal, periodical, channels, the prime objective is what? To update our knowledge related to political, social, and cultural events. Better insights can be developed when background of an event is explained in comparison with similar events which took place in the past. Then last one, a review of history is presented through special issues of newspaper to commemorate the economic, social, and political significance of particular event, and in this way we require the mass media. Another one, the role of newspaper in the Indian struggle for independence. What kind of role is played by various newspaper that were circulated at that period? The role of newspaper in Indian struggle for independence can be explained through the following interference. First point, the first Marathi newspaper, Darpan, published news regarding the accounts of expenditure from the administrative division of East India Company and achievement of Raja Ram Mohan Roy in England. Such information lead to nationalistic awareness necessary for struggle for independence. So one prime objective of these newspaper to bring the awareness, to let the people know about the happenings around the country, to let the people know that in what way the East India Company exploiting the people of India or the British government they are exploiting, and in that way to generate the feeling of the nationalism among the people was the important purpose of the newspaper. Another one, Gyanodaya published the news of installation of telegraph and starting of railways, as I told you earlier. This proved important in planning national movement for independence. It is also printed the news of Indian War of Independence. Finally, the people from every nook and corner they got to know that what exactly happened during 1857. Other newspapers like Kesari and Marathas spoke about the social and political issues of the pre-independence period. Kesari began to publish articles about nationwide situation, books in native languages and political in England. Thus, the newspaper accelerated the struggle for independence. Okay, so these are the important point for the in what way the newspaper they inspire the Indian freedom struggle. Now come to the reason. Give reason. Explain the following with reasons. Knowledge of history is essential for newspaper articles. Okay, so in various way you need to have the knowledge of history while writing the articles in contemporary period. It helps you a lot. Newspaper, while providing fresh news to its readers, need to unfold the background of an event, and for that the knowledge of history helps a lot. So first point, newspaper while providing fresh news to its reader need to unfold the background of an event. Point number two, while reporting news in details, reporters try to compare it with parallel events which happened in the past. So again, this is another valid point. In order to be able to publish issue to commemorate the occasion, one need to review the history, and like that, in what way? This is just one of the example. For example, to write historical column under heading 50 years ago or hundreds years ago, etc., one should have good knowledge of history. Only then your article will be better presented and will be better convincing. Now, television is the most popular medium. What is the reason? The reasons are, first point, television is an audio-visual medium, and this is the very important point. It is possible for this medium to cross the inherent limitations of newspaper, radio, and show the actual visuals of an event of people. So this is the point number second is the most important point, and it must be there in your answer, because this is the only point that justify this particular question. There is no alternative than television that is available for watching an event as it is actually happened. So television is an most important popular medium. Okay, so just keep in mind. And again, when such questions are asked, most of the time I found that the student they try to give the answer in their own way. It is not expected from your side to just be very relevant. The points should be very valid, very appealing. Points should be appealing. It should not in a very generalized sense. So need not to make the answer in a general sense, because you are from the 10th standard and of that level answer as a valuer we expect. Now explain, answer the following in brief. Again, you were expected to write any one. The very first one was Explain the objective of newspaper. The first answer, newspapers are an important medium of creating social awareness. You know that this is the most important objective of newspapers. Another one, newspapers helps to the readers become informed by providing them with facts, statistics, and opinion column. So newspapers, they actually are responsible to make the opinion of the reader, the way we read, the kind of material we read, accordingly we make our own thought. Newspapers provide in entertainment as well. They feature comics, puzzles, and humorous stories designed to amuse the reader. They keep the reader up to date with local, national, and international stories, along with reviews of histories and past events. How is history? And the next question now, how is the history helpful in the planning of Akashwani program? Okay, history is also essential in planning radio program. For example, Akashwani has preserved recording of all speeches delivered each year by the Prime Minister of India on 15th August. Akashwani invites historians as experts for discussing on various occasions such as anniversaries or of birth or death of national leaders, anniversaries of historical events, etc. Lectures on the contributions of various national leaders need to be supported by historical information. Programs like On This Day in History are also an integral part of daily program of Akashwani. Okay, so this it should be program, not programmer. So these are the very point of the how is the history helpful in the planning of Akashwani program, not programmer. Okay, so these are the answer of the lesson number 5. Few important questions we included here. Go through it and just do practice over and over. This will certainly help you in your board exam. Okay, so thanks a lot. See you soon.